Okay guys, so of course we know that there are many oils out there to nourish your scalp, which will then lead to healthy hair growth. And in fact, I did do a video on the 8 best oils, hair oils for hair growth, and I'll link that video in the description box below. But in addition to those 8 oils and other oils that are out there, one oil that's kind of new to the scene, at least new to me, is onion oil. So today we're going to talk about onion oil and hair growth. Hey guys, I'm Rolandine Vaughn of Naturally You Hair Products, where our sole passion is supplying you with 100% authentic hair products containing only all natural ingredients that you can recognize and that you can pronounce, that will not compromise your overall health and that will promote healthy hair growth for you. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips weekly. All the links mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Okay, so let's dive straight into it. We're going to talk about 5 main reasons why you should use onion oil to grow your hair. So number 1, it improves your hair texture. Thanks to the vitamins and the minerals in onions, it allows your hair to be softer and of course more manageable, which then leads to hair length retention because you're not pulling, tugging, and fighting with your hair and trying to comb it and detangle it. So number 2, it optimizes hair growth. So onion oil activates scalp enzymes, which then allows for the hair follicles to produce more hair or produce hair faster, and also this hair that is produced is thicker. So you have thicker and faster hair growth once you use onion oil. Number 3, onion oil prevents scalp irritation. So things like bacterial or fungal infections that you might have in your scalp, those days are no more, thanks to the antibacterial properties that are found in onions. So onion oil definitely helps out with any type of scalp irritation, in addition to dandruff. So not only do we have less flaking, but we have a clean scalp that also leads to healthy hair growth. Number 4, this oil prevents hair thinning and hair breakage. So the sulfur in onions forms a stronger bond, therefore making your hair strands stronger. So you have less thinning, less breakage, less balding. Perfect for those people that are suffering from hair thinning and hair balding. So number 5, onion oil delays hair graying. And you're probably asking, how is this? Well, onion nutrients, they stop hair oxidation in the strands, which keeps the hair at a normal pH level. So it allows for less oxidation, which then leads to hair coloration changes, like going from your natural hair color to your gray or a gray hair color. Our Naturally You shampoo and scalp oil both contain onion oil, in addition to other hair growth promoting ingredients like coconut oil and fenugreek, Jamaican black castor oil, peppermint oil, and others. And all of these ingredients are 100% authentically natural. So in addition to the benefit that the ingredients bring, the container itself is beneficial. It has a twist top that allows for direct application to the scalp for cleansing and nourishing of the scalp, which of course leads to healthy hair growth. So click that Naturally You link below to read up on all of our products and their ingredients. You can read up on customer testimonials, and you can also learn about what Naturally You stands for. You can also order your authentic 100% natural Naturally You hair products off of our website to help you grow healthier, longer, stronger hair. So I hope this video helped you and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any hair questions or concerns that you want us to address and to talk about, just leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips weekly. So thank you so much again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.